Hi, in this video, we are going to see the application EnvHub. So, what is EnvHub? EnvHub is a decentralized tool to manage environment variables for your team, like how GitHub actually managing our code like that. And why we actually need that is imagine if you are actually working in an organization, you have lots of members in your team. So, just sending the ENV via Slack or maintaining it in just may cause mess. So, this is my personal experience. Like while I was working in a project with my team, I just had old ENV and they updated, and I didn't even know that. In that case, I just worked with old ENV and thought, okay, this application is not working. And after around 5 to 6 hours of spending the time, and I just asked my team member, and they said like, okay, we are just updating the ENV. So in that case, we couldn't able to we actually don't have a centralized one. I mean, a centralized platform like how we actually have GitHub for code. So in that case, I just got an idea, okay, why shouldn't we create an application to manage our all ENV as a secure manner, like GitHub for our internal team. So and what actually ENV is doing is, I mean, ENV Hub is doing is it lets your version control your secrets, sync them across your team, and get access using your GitHub organization, and all while keeping your data encrypted and self-hosted. So my application, I mean, ENV Hub is as per the organization restricted, so you can add the organization name, and the persons who are actually inside the organization only can able to access your own secrets, and all those secrets are stored in your I mean your server, not with other server. Like if you are actually using any third party services, there in their server you need to store all your secrets, right? But here by using env hub, you just store all your secrets in your server. So first I need to give the demo how it actually works. So here you can see. So this is the application. For now, the first step, as a first version, I just deployed in as a Vercel, and for storage also, I'm just using Vercel storage. And my future enhancement will be focusing on cloud. Like if a person is actually using AWS, the team, or if they use Azure, how they actually can use as per the RBAC of the access of the some repo. So based on the RBAC, they can use that will be my future enhancement. So I'll just go with continue with GitHub. So for a challenge submission, I just have this demo access, so people are can able to see this for demo user kind of thing. So here you can see this. If you click new environment, you just can able to enter. Okay, I'll just go to my own thing. Continue with GitHub. So it actually asking me like whether are you okay with this or authorization with. So because this is the application, actually this one is my another GitHub repo, and the main repo which I deployed via Vercel, and the organization name is Stitchgo. Here you can able to see. So I just go with authorize this. Yeah, here you can see my GitHub username. And here, so as already said, this is the organization level platform. So the projects inside your organization, the persons who are actually in your organization can able to see all the projects. So here you can see all the projects inside that. So I just go with this first. I'm just creating a new application. So just call that application as the sub, and the services Fernet, and environment is broad. So here you can add both list view and bulk editor. So I'm just add as this for 3000. Save changes. So here you can see. So the project and the service and the environment name and the version, initial creation. So version history it shows, and we can able to copy it as env and the JSON, and we can able to download. And if you just click edit, you can go with both bulk edit and list edit. And I will add another variable. platform Vercel. And I will add that, and I'm going to delete this adding platform, and we just need to give the change reason to platform and remove port. Like how we are actually do the git commit, right? So I'm just inspired from GitHub. So the other changes is B2, adding platform and remove port. Here it's viewing. And if you actually click show changes, it shows platform we added Vercel and port is actually we deleted that. So in front end, it actually shows like this. And in this VivoVerse, if you just click the port prod, so here you can able to see the organization members, those who are actually added, I mean, created the versions. Here, now I'm going to edit demo mode, save changes. We just need to add demo mode, save changes. So here you can see before is created by me and viewing. Here also we can able to see the versions. So what are the versions before they people done? And the latest version is done by me. This is the first part of this application, which is actually a front end. We can able to see like how we are actually seeing the GitHub. The second part is CLI. So I'm going to explain it next. So here you can see install CLI. So how we are actually installing GitHub, I mean Git for our CLI. Here for this too, we actually need to install this. So I just copy this comment copied. I need to install this in my CLI here. I just need to install. So for that, here I already have some dummy project and in that. So, and one more thing I just forgot. So even if someone is like, if someone actually tried to clone this application and if they actually deployed in this application in their Vercel account, it dynamically changed that CLI link as per their organization name. So this won't be same for all the, I mean, if all the organization. So as per the organization, the CLI comment will differ. So nothing, if I updated my or my file also, your application won't affect, and you don't want to update anything unless if you are actually trying to update yourself. Pip install. So I already installed that. So that's why it shows recommend already satisfied. The new version 26.0. And next thing is we need to init the envHub init hyphen API hyphen URL slash API because we are actually sending our thing to backend. So that's why we just need to mention the API. Config saved to my in my local config.json, it's actually stored. We install the package and we initialize our EnvHub with the local system. Next thing is we need to like how we are actually I mean, how we actually told our front end, okay, this is the organization member in the organization. They can able to sign in. Like basically, we sign in with GitHub, right? Then only GitHub know, okay, this is the person in my organization. Like that, we actually need to say to our CLA to. So that's we need to log in with our. So the next step is we are actually need to log in with our GitHub, github.com, HTTPS. Yes, log in with browser. And just go with continue with Google. Done my signing. Yeah, authentication successful. And you can now push EnvHub push and EnvHub pull. So, so here you can see we just uh we just enter the EnvHub history hyphen p the project we done, and here you can see the versions and the reasons we done. Now we can do the full. So the changes which we actually like the platform Vercel, which there in our web application, here it pulled the changes, and now the new project we can initialize. And we have push -p action CLI -s printed -e dev. So it's asked for a reason like the git commit. So initialize the action CLI project. Yeah, success version one deployed. Now this is the time to check the application whether it worked or not. So we need to refresh. Yeah, we got. So here you can see action CLI dev, and this is like the changes here. We have that in env, right? It actually that env for HP organization name. So the same thing. Now till now we have B1, and yeah, that's about the demo. And thanks for watching. Bye.